If a juror owns stock in a liability insurance casualty company, can they sit on a personal injury or medical malpractice case in the state of New York? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. The answer is no, they can't sit as a juror on the case. And here's the thinking behind that. If a juror owns stock in a liability insurance casualty company, there is the thinking that a juror may not want to go ahead and give a verdict in favor of an injured victim and give them an award. Why? Because that award may somehow affect that particular insurance company that they own stock in. In other words, they have a vested interest in a particular company that just so happens to be an insurance company. And what does the insurance company do? The insurance company insures people from accidents. And now, if somebody has sued somebody in an accident case for claims of negligence or carelessness, the thinking is that the juror will believe at some level that if they are to award a particular injured victim money, that means that the insurance companies will now have to pay out money. That means that they're going to be losing money. So the thinking behind that, the rationale as to why you would not want to have a juror on your case who owns stock in a liability insurance casualty company is because a verdict may affect their particular stock performance. So that's why a juror who automatically has stock is excluded from this particular type of case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process here in the state of New York. You know, not many people talk about this, and it's important for you to understand this if you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.